Hey, this is Russell. I want to thank you so much for registering for the 5-day lead challenge. This is going to be such a fun process for you. And it doesn't matter what kind of business you're in. Some of you guys are selling information products. This will help you get more leads. Some of you guys are selling physical products. This will help you get more leads. Some of you guys have a local brick and mortar store. This will help you get more leads. Some of you guys are network marketing or affiliate marketing. This will help you get more leads. I don't care what kind of business you're in. This challenge is built for you to get unlimited leads coming to you from the internet. It's going to be so much fun. So what I'm doing right now is I want to walk you through what's going to be happening over the next 5 days. So you can be prepared, you can be excited, and be ready for some fun. So day number one, you guys ready for this? Day number one is called unlimited leads. This is where I'm going to be showing you guys the process. Like, here's the structure. Here's how you create something to get unlimited leads coming to you. So this is going to be your foundation. It's going to give you a core understanding of what we're doing, how we're doing it. It's going to be a lot of fun. Okay. Day number two now. Day number two. This one is where we're going to be creating your lead magnet, or what we also call your one-pager. So you're creating your lead magnet, your one-pager. This is the tool you do that you create to get people coming in. It's very simple. It's very easy. I got some really cool software I'm going to give you for free that makes this process so simple and so easy to create lead magnets. You guys are going to love it. Then day number three, after you do that, now we're going to show you guys how to create a very simple type of funnel. This is called a lead squeeze funnel. This is a 2-page funnel. You take your lead magnet, you plug it into your 2-page lead squeeze funnel, and this is the process to get people now coming to you and giving you their contact information, giving you their name, their email, their phone number, whatever contact information you want. And this is where they actually become a lead, which is really cool. Okay, now day number four is after they become a lead, now what happens to these people? Well, now we have to follow up with them. This is what we call a follow-up funnel. So we're going to walk you through the first 6 emails we send out to a lead when they come into your funnel. What do they say? How do you structure the email? Like, how do you introduce yourself? Like, what are the words in each of the different emails? And this is important because if you don't structure your email sequence correctly, the leads coming in are not going to listen to you, they're not going to buy your products, things like that. If you do it correctly, it's going to build a relationship with them, build a rapport, and they'll keep coming back to you over and over and over again. And then day number 5, after we built all these things out, day number 5, this is a really fun day. This is where we actually launch your lead funnel. This is where we put it out in the world and leads start coming into you. So by the time this 5-day process is over, you should have leads coming to you. Okay, it's not something that's gonna be theory, we're gonna think about it, talk about it. This is we're actually doing it, where our hands are gonna be getting wet, right? Here we're gonna learn the strategy. Here we're gonna actually build out the lead magnet, and it's gonna be done. By the time this is finished, like the day's over, it's done. Okay, and this isn't something that's gonna take you 2 or 3 or 5 hours a day. Each of the training sessions is about 30 minutes, and there's about 30 minutes of work. Okay, so it's very simple, very easy, 1 hour a day. The next 5 days, we'll give you a gift. It'll give you a gift that'll serve you and your business for the rest of your life. It'll give you the ability to get unlimited leads coming into your world. And when you learn how to do that, you can get leads on demand anytime you want for whatever business you have. If you're an agency, you can do it for other people's businesses. But if you have a business, this is something that should free you forever. So the 5-day lead challenge is fun. You're registered now. You should be getting emails from me. Look for those emails. So what if it went to your junk folder, your spam folder, whatever, make sure you whitelisted. That way you can make sure that you are here. And on top of that, I want to thank you guys again for being part of the 5-day lead challenge. It's going to be so much fun. While you're waiting for day number 1 to start tomorrow, there are a bunch of different things down below. There's 4 things I need you to do, okay? Read the things down below. It's going to make sure you're connected, make sure you're getting the training, the information, all the stuff you need. So that's the game plan, you guys. You excited for the 5-day lead challenge? It's going to be so much fun. I cannot wait to see you guys tomorrow for day number 1. Thanks so much, and we'll see you guys soon.